chemistry class?
Oh yes, I remember. I flunked the test.
Yes, we learned that chemistry is the study of composition of matter. And we also learned the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas.
Oh, we also learned what is physical change. Is the change that alters the materials but still keeps the same composition.
My first day of chemistry class. And quiz. And quiz. Well, my first quiz went a little like this. It's up. Allah said no more teachers and no more books. I wanna quit school, hoping that I'll make it through. And now I think that chemistry is a piece. Excuse me, mister, may I get 100? In the back of the class, I copied solid, liquid, and gas. I got it on my list. I got it on my list. I think that it's a physical change with my finger in my head. Baby, what is it? It's a change in the material. Once it gets a little touch, composition stays the same, and I know it stays the same. Ooh!
My favorite class is chemistry.
Oh, Reina, how you get it? It's so difficult. I wanna do chemistry so freaking bad.
I know you have questions to ask. Oh, you wonder what scientific law. I'm gonna tell you with a song. Oh, you just have to close your eyes and see the meaning in your mind. Yeah, a concept statement that summarizes the results of observations and elements.
I know. That test is so hard, Alexa. I don't know what to study.
We need to study the atomic 7, Andrea, which are oxygen, chlorine, iodine, hydrogen, bromine, fluorine, and nitrogen.
Oh yes.
Mr. Tao has been a great teacher. He has taught us this year so much. We have learned what are anions and cations. Anions are the negatively charged ions like phosphate and chlorate. And cations are the positively charged ions, which are potassium, hydrogen, and others.
Oh yes.
We are special, unforgettable. Reina said, China teen, Alexa land, Mache, che. Go, I wanna sing it to you. You know that they're here for you. I want to sing and break it down. Yeah.
Oh yes, she's so cool. My favorite song is Bedroom Man.
I like Just Dance.
Okay, Reina, now let's talk about chemistry. We need to focus on
What are we going to see today?
elements.
What is an element?
An element is the simplest form of matter. Like, they're everywhere. Like, for example, in this pencil, we got carbon.
Oh yes.
I still don't understand what is an element.
I will explain it to you in a song.
We have a review today. All of my classmates start to rush by. How can we not know what's mass? Oh man, where is my paper? Lost my pen. What's going on? This says I study baby, but I can't see straight anymore. Keep it cool. What's an element? I just remember, and it's alright. Is the simplest form of matter. Just do it. An element. An element. Simplest form of matter. Just an element. Not make the same mistake that I did. I will not let you down because I know them already. I will not break the baby turtles in your class. I learned the hard way because I never get 100.
because of you, now I know how to do conversions. Because of you, now I pay close attention so I won't fail.
Because of you, I don't find it hard. Density's mass over volume. Because of you, I am smart. When I lose my way, and it's not too long before you point it out, I couldn't cry, because I know that you say that give it a try. I'm forced to do the love triangle every day of my life. My heart can possibly break with 6 fixed words and units.
Could you please show me the rules of the sequence?
Sure, Maria. In this example, the 0 counts because it's between 2 numbers. In this one, the 0 doesn't count because it's in the left side. And in this one, the 0 counts because it's a decimal point in the example. But if I take it, it doesn't count.
Baby, let me teach you this. There's so many rules to follow. Baby, you can do it now. There's so many rules to follow. You'll be like, oh my gosh, this is cool. You get it finally. You'll be saying like, oh, 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 oh my gosh, oh, 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 oh. You'll be saying like, oh, when I see them in the test, yo. Numbers are sexy, pop, 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 and drop it low. Never count the 6 figures when they start on the left side. This is something important. This is just like dynamite. Any numbers and not a 0 counts, counts, counts. You know you got to move like wow, oh wow. You know I'm loving your style. Check, 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 check you out like oh, we are almost done. 6 feet from our head to the toes, and I want it all, it all, it all. Baby, let me teach you these. 0 between the numbers, baby, they always count. There's so many rules to follow. You'll be like, oh my gosh, this is cool. You know it finally. You'll be saying like,
Hey, do you remember our first day of chemistry class?
Oh yes, I remember I flunked the test.
Yes, we learned.
Hey, do you remember our first day of chemistry class?
Oh yes, I remember I flunked that test.
We learned the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Porque qué hacen viendo
of chemistry class. Entries. Well, my first quiz went a little like this. It's up. I like